Hello my dear friends, let us discuss about the last branch which is given by the superior mesenteric artery. So this one I'm talking right now about, this is the middle colic artery, or you can focus here, look carefully friends. This is our abdominal aorta, this is superior mesenteric artery, you can see here, and the superior mesenteric artery is giving these small branches which are called the jejunal branches. We have discussed them there in detail. Now this branch is our right colic artery, and this is the iliocolic artery which we have discussed, right? And these are the branches from them. Now this branch is remaining, this is the third branch, the most important branch. Okay, this is our middle colic artery, and this middle colic artery is going superiorly towards the transverse colon. You can say ascending colon, transverse colon, and then descending colon, and then other parts. We are not concerned with the anatomy of large intestine. This is our middle colic artery. So let me name it here, middle colic artery. Clear? First of all, let me clear all points regarding this artery. Look carefully. This artery is separating from the branch of the superior mesenteric artery and going up superiorly, right? Superiorly, or we can say interiorly it comes, right? Interiorly towards the ascending colon, towards the transverse colon. Now look, it is giving two branches. One branch is going towards the right side, and other branch is going towards the left side, right? So this is the left side branch and this is the right side branch. The right branch supplies blood to the right side of the transverse colon, and the left branch supplies blood to the left side of the transverse colon, and they are making anastomosis with what we will see right now. Look, the third branch and the most important, the last branch, is called the middle colic artery. Done, friends. So what is middle colic artery? It is a branch of superior mesenteric artery. Branch of SMA, superior mesenteric artery, we know it. And what does it do? Right? It branches off from the superior mesenteric artery and supply blood to transverse colon, right? And the next important point about it, that when this artery is going up, look carefully, if this is our transverse colon, right, and this is descending, so when this artery comes towards the transverse colon, this artery divides into a right and left branch. This left branch supplies blood to the left side of the transverse colon, and this right branch supplies blood to the right side of the transverse colon. Look carefully, friends. Look what I am going to tell. This is our superior mesenteric artery, right? So from it there was this right colic artery. So this right colic artery was giving branches, which was descending branch and the ascending branch. So this ascending branch is going and making anastomosis with the right branch of the middle colic artery, right? Like this. So let's make it here. Then divide into right and left branches. Okay, let's name these right and left branches. First one, right branch. Clear? This right branch supply blood to right side or right part of transverse colon. We know it. Look carefully. This right branch is supplying blood to right side of the transverse colon. Look at, you can see here all these branches are the branches of the right right branch of the middle colic artery, right? And it is supplying blood towards the much part of the right side of the transverse colon. And then what does it do? It anastomoses with the ascending branch of the right colic artery. I have told you before also, ascending branch of right colic artery. Done. And what does left branch do? Left branch. So it's so simple, friends. Look, this is the left branch and it is coming towards the left side of the left part of the transverse colon. So we say that it supplies blood to left part of transverse colon. Clear? And then what does it make anastomosis with? Look carefully, friends. This is our inferior mesenteric artery, right? So from inferior mesenteric artery, there is a branch going towards the left side of the colon, right? And this branch is giving an anastomosing branch towards the left branch of the middle colic artery, right? So we say that it anastomoses with colic branch of or left colic branch of inferior mesenteric artery. Clear, friends? Okay, so that's all, and we are finished with the branches of the superior mesenteric artery. So this was the last lecture regarding that. Friends, it's a very humble request that if you like these lectures and if you are learning from these lectures the blood supply of different vessels, so please write in the comment section for me so that I will get courage to record such lectures for you guys. See you in the next lecture regarding the branches of the inferior mesenteric artery. So till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.